All right, so now we're going to write the first 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence. Notice they gave me the first term and they gave me the common difference. So the first 6 terms, so I know my first term is what? And so what is my second term going to be? Well, the common difference is 3. What does that mean we're going to do to it? Add 3, which is -3. And so my third term, we're going to add 3, which would be
0.
My fourth term, add 3, which is
3.
So what's my fifth term?
6.
And finally my sixth term. And so if we wanted them written out as a list, we'd do -6, -3, 0, 3, 6, and 9. There's my first 6 terms of that sequence. All right, so going to number 7. So I'm going to write this one out like the first one there, since it's got fractions. It's usually easier to see. So my first term is 11/8. My second term is going to be that 11/8 minus that common difference there, right? Or technically it's plus the common difference, but it's a -1/8. And you need to make sure you reduce it. Now, when I go to do the next one, guys, I'm not going to use the reduced one because I have that common denominator. So I'm going to take that 10/8 and subtract the 1/8. I'm going to do the same thing on the sixth one. I'm not going to use the reduced one because I like having that common denominator already done for me.
You missed 8/8.
Oh, did I? I sure did. You're right. Man, if I could just subtract, huh? Thank you. So it makes that 8/8, which makes this one 7/8. I jumped ahead. Now let me do this.
You're really good on changing that 7 to an 8.
Thank you. Alright, so let me go back here then. This would have been 8/8 minus 1/8. Now, does that mean that our sequence is actually ending? No, technically the sequence is still going, right? We are just listing the first 6 terms, so I don't want you to think that means it ends. It really doesn't. All right, so look at number 8. Number 8 has this in it. What does that mean?
You have to use that last one.
Uh-huh. So you're going to use the previous one, right? So it tells me here that my first term is -7, but how am I going to find the second term? Remember, this a sub n minus 1 means the previous term, so I'm going to take that -7 and we're going to add 4. Then the third term says take the previous term and add 4. And so what are we doing each time? We're adding 4 to the previous term, right? So our difference is a +4 there.